Hello, my lovely butterflies. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Guess what? The update has come. And I don't have the premium pass. I really want the Crimson Stallion, but I guess I can't get him. Because, I'm not buying that. No. No, Missy Moo. So, this is Season Pass, which is really cool. 59 days. Okay. Barrel race. Okay, you know I have to do it, right? I can't not. Wings. Wait, what? You fly? Oh. Wait. Oops. This is only a limited time. Oh. Well, this is Fast Horse. Yo. Oops, I hit it. Whoa. Okay, I think I have a trick. You don't want a fast horse for this. Yo. That is so cool. Oh, I love that. Yo. Yo. Where is that? Is that level 25 area? Where the heck is that? Here. Okay, you know I have to use a brown horse, right? I'm gonna use brown. No. Okay, please. This is the most awesome update ever. I thought that was something I had to collect, but it was just a bird. Wait, where am I on the leaderboard for this stuff? Oh. No, I just want to see the leaderboard, but I guess I can't right now. Where did I? Oh, I passed it. Yo. Oh my god. Sorry if you hear my sister screaming in the background. I don't know what's going on down there, but yo, this is so cool. I'm gonna jump in the water. Yo. I don't want to travel through water. I want to travel on this thing. Oopsies. I want to travel on this thingy. Slowly but surely we'll make it. Oh, I wonder how big this area is. There. We made it. Whoa. And this is where it connects to normal world. This is a hidden... Whoa! I was right. It was a little hidden spot. I'm not looking through there though, because I'm too lazy. But yo, okay, wait. Is this somebody, or is this actually just a... Whoa! That is... Okay. He's beautiful. I like him. He's a pretty horse. I just found a hidden area behind the waterfall. Is it more crystal-y place? Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Where else am I gonna go? I'm gonna grab a Pegasus because it's so much easier to fly with it. Because, I want to finish looking. Whoa. Oh, you can travel on top. Okay, we'll look from this top. It's so big. Oh my goodness. I wonder if any level can come here. If so, I want to look around with my sister, go for a little trail ride. Why is it dusting? Is there a new portal coming someday? It's there. What's over here? Nothing much. There's that place again. This place is big. Whoa. I'm gonna do another barrel race. I'm going to use a slow horse because, like, slow horses I think are better. Well, in my opinion, they are. Like you, but you're 15. I want something lower than 15. 11, 6. Ah, yes. Perfecto. My big Clydesdale. 3, 2, 1, and go. Come on, boy. Come on, big boy. Oh, maybe you do want a little bit of a faster horse than, like, 6. Yo, I'm so bad at barrel racing. 18, 19, 21. Why 1 star? Grr. How do I see the leaderboard for this? Is there? Oh, there is no leaderboard. Limited time solo race. What if I do Galaxy? She's a bit fast, but not super fast. So, like, there we go. Oh man, I got a fault. I got another fault. Sheesh, I'm bad. Oh my gosh. Another one? Oh goodness gracious, Aunt Matilda, I'm bad. Grr. Okay, well, where am I? Ha! Oh, I get it. I need 260. Wait, 200. Oh, I need 400. Ah, yes, things are making so much more sense. Learn more. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, I want to. I completed. I can complete a daily quest. Did you complete my So sad. So very sad. You have to. Okay, I would be so mad if they didn't succeed that. So, how many club points do I have? 204. Yo, my club is doing good, but we're not on the leaderboard. But oh, never mind. I thought we could level up. You just barrel race around them, I guess. Oh, oopsies. Well, whoops. This is kind of fun. Meow. Meow. Do they just respawn or something or not? I have 80. Will they respawn back in spot? I'm going to do one more barrel race and I'm going to end the video. I'm going to do Pinky. Because Pinky is Pinky. Pinkie Pie eats pie. And, like, who doesn't like pie? Meow. Meow. Oh, I almost hit it. Meow. Oh, that one I did good. I didn't hit a single one. Oh, yeah. Give me. Hello. I wonder what SP stands for. Yeah, I'm going to make a video every single time I get a thingamabob. They'll probably be short videos. Wait, let's see. Okay, I got gem. Oh, I get a pet hat. Oh, at the end I get a bronze whistle. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's good. Okay, so I know Pinky is my best horse for this. Yeah. Bye. I hope you enjoyed watching the update. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.